Hi friends, we are again approaching the same road where we can see Yes Bank, Punjab National Bank, and you can see the line. In the line, the same segment or same socio-economic status kind of people you are saying. You can't see very professional, educated, intellectual, or upper middle class, or even middle class in the line. So most of them are from the lower middle class or something like that. Or you can say they are basically the hired workers. Now that the exchange thing is banned, no more there. So these should be the genuine people, or they are hired by the people to deposit money in their account, or something like that. Even now, earlier it was not seen. Now you can see the lines at the ATM early in the morning. This was not visible earlier. Earlier the line were mostly for exchange. Now you can see even line for. Sorry, this is not the line for ATM. Okay, at Kotak Mahindra, other side of it's still working. Now, if we talk in general, now that the government has come out with the scheme whereby 50% of the money is kept by the government as tax, 25% of the money deposited, unaccountable money, is put in the long-term deposits, say of 4 years, and the rest 25% is given back to the customer who has so deposited the money. I will rather say in this case the 50% money taken by the government as tax is fine, but then the money deposited in the bank for only 4 years is not enough. It basically should have been for at least 10 years, whereby after 5 years you can withdraw half the money, and the rest should continue for another 5 years, whereby the interest can be gathered by the customer. So this should have been the case. Anyway, actually in India there are a lot of people who are into business doing by cash. They are in an informal kind of business where the money is not deposited in the bank. This has been in practice for since independence. Many Chandni Chowk, Chowdi Bazaar in Delhi, they do business on purchase. They do it deliberately. Even the small time traders and manufacturers, they do so in Delhi. So in India, the informal business is around 50%. This is very much true. It was shown in ZTV also. So you can say around 50% of the business being in informal sector, how much they must be suffering. So for these kind of people, if still they come out open in the eyes of the government and declare their kind of business and deposit 50% as tax and rest 25% in unaccountable money, is still a good idea. There is still time for such kind of informal business people to become transparent. A wonderful opportunity. And after that, I feel those who still do not fall into line in this respect and this juncture, they are going to have a very heavy penalty, and they are going to suffer heavily. Not only in terms of money, I feel there may be other kinds of punishment as well. So still there is a lot of opportunity for people who have not declared money so far in their business, in their kind of doing business. They should come out openly, declare how their businesses are running, become accountable, contact their chartered accountants. Still there is